How to fix Discord high ping. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how you can disable and fix the issues regarding your Discord's connection. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and check your network adapters. So right here, if I try to open Discord, and you're facing issues here, you need to go ahead and check for your network adapters. You can do that by going over to the search bar and then search for control panel and hit enter. Once you open up your control panel, what you need to do is make sure the view by is selected to either large or small icons and not on category. From there, you need to find network and sharing center. Then on the left hand side, you can find change adapter settings. Click on it. It will take you directly over to your network adapter. I'm not connected to Ethernet right now. I'm using Wi-Fi network. So what you basically do first is right click on it, and then you want to disable your driver. And once you disable your network adapter, just right click on it and then re-enable it again. Doing that will fix many issues most of the times. And if you're having issues again, then in that case, you need to close this out. And then what you need to do is type in CMD here on your search bar, run it as an administrator, and tap on yes. So what you basically do is write this command, ipconfig, right here. Just go ahead and type this in, ipconfig space / flush DNS, and then hit enter. So you need to go ahead and type that in again. There was a slight spelling mistake on my first one, so what I'll do is just go here, then I'll just go ahead and type in ipconfig space / flush DNS, and it will automatically flush your DNS. Now what you need to do next is go ahead and open control panel again. Now this time, instead of network sharing, find internet option. And right over here, you need to go to advanced. And from your internet properties, you need to go ahead and find your advanced settings and then click on restore advanced settings. Click on apply and then OK. Once that is done, you should be good to go. Now restart your PC and try to use Discord normally again, and it should start working. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.